everybody, and welcome to my channel. So this is going to be an unboxing of Proof Period panties. I pretty sure I seen this on a not a review on YouTube or anything like that. I think I seen it on Facebook as an ad. So I looked into it. Purchased them, and also I had a coupon code. I'll try to leave that coupon code down below. So these are the leak proof briefs, and I got the large size because these come, hopefully these will fit me, because my other ones, these came from, no, these ain't them. So here is their Instagram, Facebook, all of that good stuff, and how to wash them. Let's see, is this one in cold? This one's in cold. I have one pair that are warm. You're supposed to wash them warm, so I can't wash them with the regular rest of my underwear. So these are the proofs, and this one is a medium absorbency. Holds 2 regular tampons or 4 tablespoons. So, just a thing. Does have this protector. Like, some of them do, some of them don't. Like, for instance, I just unboxed these things. They don't have one. Anyway, back to the proof. So that's really nice about this company. It says, love me, lose this liner, leave me. Keep the hygienic liner on for easy peasy returns. This one is nylon, spandex, and the lining is polyester. Also, lining is cotton, polyester again, and acrylic. So this is what the gusset looks like. I better keep that on because I may not be able to fit in these and I may have to return them. But I think this is one of the cheaper brands. Let me just check. I don't want to give you false information, so I'm just going to check on my phone just to make sure that I am not giving you any false information. There we go, Proof underwear. Shop. Okay, so they have a super light, a light, a moderate, and a heavy. So I got, of course, the medium, so the moderate. They have an everyday underwear for $25. They have a light, which is the thong, for $25. They have the brief, which is what I got. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is the brief for $35. Also, they have a lace cheeky for $37. A bikini for $39. That's one of their heavy ones. This is where it starts on the heavy. A hip hugger, the mesh hip hugger, for $39. A regular hip hugger. This is the super heavy. Pretty sure this is the only, yeah, it's the only super heavy, for $43. Then they have where you can bundle and save up to 20%. Those are the ones that they have. That's the only ones they have. So, as I said, what I have is the moderate. Let me look inside of here and see what it says. Do not bleach. Okay, it does give you the website and the number. So if you want the same one, it'll be super easy, but there's the number on it and all that other stuff. if you're interested in getting a pair like these. I want to say they only come in black as well, where some of the other, well, no, take that back. They come in black or sand, which sand is like this color. Is the best way for me to explain it. Anyway, I've took up 5 minutes of your time today. Anyway, I really appreciate you watching my video. If you enjoy these and want to see more of the unboxings of these products and also a detailed review about these products, go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and like this video if you really enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, you guys.